think the trailing arm is on. Let her eat. This place is crazy. What are you doing? Nothing. So, you got a bent trailing arm, and that is why you can never keep up with me. Yeah?
For that last video, yeah, that's why.
Okay. Yeah.
You can watch the other ones and you can tell there's a big difference.
How'd that happen?
This is what happens when a quad T-bones into you. You get a bent trailing arm. Which, I'm still surprised that's all that happened. But
What happened to him?
he got messed up.
Did he?
Yeah, I love that. He took a header right here.
Too bad I wasn't there. I would love to get that on camera. Do you know what you're doing?
No.
No?
Make it work as we go.
We're gonna make it work. Wouldn't it be cool if we knew what we were doing?
Yeah.
So we did look up on YouTube. Looks like undoing this will allow this whole assembly to come off the axle without actually taking the axle out. So that is what we're attempting to do at the moment, is to get that off. Well, that's off. I guess when you can't find the right socket, you just use the wrong one with an impact, and it just takes everything right off. That's pretty much how that works.
Perfect.
Yeah. So, you gonna drill those rivets out? Probably the
Maybe if he has drill bits. I got a nice set at my house. I should have brought some tools.
Until we get these.
We'll just cut this line and clamp it.
Yeah, just.
You don't need the back brake.
Brakes. Where we go, we don't need brakes. You're giving up on the
Yeah, I just gave up on it. Fuck it. That worked.
Well, it would work so well too. All right. Can't get this thing off.
You're the one that works out.
Oh, just because I work out don't mean anything.
Oh, cocksucker.
Careful, maybe. In all seriousness, how in the hell do you unhook this from this impact here? Anyone watching this video who knows how to do all this stuff much better than us is going to be really amused.
I wouldn't even post this online. It's a disgrace.
I have to post it.
Oh, motherfucker, we need that. He can't get that off there?
Oh, here, take this. There's got to be a...
You just pull on it, man up.
Hey, perfect timing. How the heck do you get a socket off the end of this impact?
Pull it. Pull it.
You have to push the pin in. Oh, there's a safety pin. Did you not know that?
How much can you bench press? Bench press?
Does this look like a bench press?
I don't know.
I think this is a faulty piece of equipment.
Wow.
I think this impact, this little knob in there, is supposed to be more responsive than what it is.
Operator error. Hey.
Really? Oh!
Got it.
That's because I benched so much. Somebody did some. You want to be on YouTube?
No, thanks.
No?
I'm good.
Too late.
Too late, he says. Dude, this... Well, you don't have the right tools, for one. It's all your fault. Yeah.
You get every tool you ever.
No, you don't. 18. Where's your 18 at? No 18.
No 18.
Nope.
The video. I'm looking. Your buddy has got like 7 17s, but no 18.
Nope, I got it.
Make it happen. Holy shit. Detour. What do we got here?
Got some fireball?
Got some, I guess maybe for once the job's done.
You like fireball, I take it.
I don't know that I'm really partial, but I don't usually not handle stuff, I guess. I think you should get up under there.
You get up under there.
I can't, I have a nice shirt on. What the heck you got hanging down in the center of your machine up there? It's like a seatbelt or a strap or something.
Really?
Yeah. Right in the middle. Trailing arm has been removed. Honestly, that really was not that hard to.
Well, if we had all the right tools.
If we had any.
I bet that is from up top, though. Right here, that big crease. That's not supposed to be there.
No. Well, grab that one. Let's put it next to each other. Because I bet this whole bend here is not supposed to be there.
Yeah, you wouldn't think so.
Put this one next to it and see.
Yeah, look how bent that thing is. That's bad.
It got smushed real good.
I didn't
Wow.
realize it was that bad.
Look at that.
That's quite a bit.
That's actually way worse than I had thought it was.
Yeah.
That one comes this way to achieve the same angle up front. Like that's, it's like a U almost. It's,
Yeah.
that is a. It needed to be replaced. Good job. I'll accept your reasoning for
Dude, that thing was jacked up.
not being able to keep up on those last trail rides.
Try.
Yeah.
Look at how much taller this one is than that one.
Oh
sitting
damn,
like
that's
that.
actually a really. That's
Look
a
at
good
that.
comparison. Yeah.
That's huge.
How fast do you think that guy was going on the quad that hit you? Like honestly.
30.
Think
30
so?
Or 30 or 40. I was going over 60.
You were?
Yeah. That's quite a bit.
Dude, that's like a good inch bend.
Yeah. Oh, you couldn't keep up? Well, yeah, I had a jacked up trailing arm.
We drove all over, smashed on it with hammers, had a vise on it at one point, and then Keith over here just taps on the edge like 3 times, ever so lightly, and it just dropped right in. I don't understand, but it's in there. Having a radio on in the background, this video is probably going to get copyright striked. Whatever.
You can fix that.
I can fix that?
Yeah.
Oh. think the trailing arm is on. Let her eat. I think she's on there.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, you don't seem to be having any issues. You want to give me a ride back to the house?
It's cold.
It's cold. So what do you think?
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah, it feels better.
You definitely were throwing it over that snow hill and things seem to have held up. So I think we did a good job, man.
Yeah, it felt good. Felt good. Shock therapy now.
Shock therapy now.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Yeah. Look, yeah.
Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking us out. Yeah, and stay tuned for shock therapy because that's next. Bye.
Sweet.
Yeah, bye. Told you we'd get a drone.